Water, it's the lifeblood of our planet. It's also the source of pure, unadulterated joy, especially for kids. But not all water play is created equal. A well-designed water playground is a symphony of laughter, exploration, and safe, refreshing fun. These aquatic wonderlands are more than just concrete and water. They are thoughtfully crafted spaces where imagination runs wild. For decades, we've understood the vital need for safe, engaging playgrounds. Now that same energy and innovation are being poured into the world of water play. Aquatix is at the forefront of this movement, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary aquatic adventures. These aren't your grandma's wading pools. They're vibrant, interactive ecosystems of fun, designed to engage every sense and age group. The magic of these spaces lies in their ability to transport us back to a simpler time. Remember the pure joy of a garden hose on a hot summer day? Or the thrill of splashing in puddles after a rainstorm? Aquatix captures that feeling and magnifies it tenfold. They create environments where kids can be kids, free to run, splash, and soak up the summer sun. Creating these aquatic wonderlands is no small feat. It's a delicate dance between artistry and engineering. Each project begins with a deep dive into the community's needs and aspirations. Aquatix understands that every space is unique. What works for a bustling city park might not be suitable for a quiet suburban neighborhood. Once the team has a firm grasp of the project's scope, the real fun begins. Using cutting-edge 3D modeling software, they transform ideas into tangible designs. These digital blueprints allow clients to experience the space virtually, offering a glimpse into the future of their water park. But it's not all about aesthetics. Behind the whimsical facades and playful features lies a bedrock of engineering excellence. Every pipe, pump, and play structure is meticulously planned and executed. This ensures not only the park's visual appeal, but also its safety and longevity. Aquatix understands that these spaces are investments. They're meant to be enjoyed for generations to come. One of the hallmarks of a well-designed water park is its ability to cater to a wide range of ages and abilities. Aquatix excels in this area, creating distinct zones within each park that cater to specific age groups. For the littlest water babies, there are gentle spray areas and shallow pools where they can splash and play to their heart's content. These areas are designed with safety in mind, featuring soft surfaces and rounded edges. As children grow, so too do their thirst for adventure. Older kids gravitate towards more challenging features like towering water slides, exhilarating splash buckets, and interactive water cannons. These features provide a healthy dose of excitement while still maintaining the highest safety standards. And for the young and young at heart, there are always lounge areas and shaded seating where parents and grandparents can relax and soak up the joyous atmosphere. These thoughtfully designed zones ensure that everyone feels welcome and entertained. They create a dynamic and inclusive environment where families can spend hours, if not an entire day, creating lasting memories. It's this attention to detail and commitment to inclusivity that sets Aquatix apart. While the joy of water play is timeless, the technology behind it is constantly evolving. Aquatix embraces innovation, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge features into their designs. One such example is the revolutionary Mechi 2.0 system. This interactive water playground elevates the concept of hands-on play to a whole new level. Imagine a series of interconnected channels, dams, and water wheels, all controlled by the children themselves. With Mechi 2.0, kids aren't just passive observers. They're active participants, learning about water flow, gravity, and engineering principles while having a blast. And for those seeking a visual spectacle, Aquatix offers LED illuminated jumping jets. These dazzling displays of light and water create a mesmerizing show, transforming the water park into a nocturnal wonderland. But technology isn't just about flashy features. Aquatix also utilizes advanced filtration and water treatment systems to ensure the health and safety of its visitors. These behind-the-scenes innovations guarantee crystal clear water, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and minimizing the environmental impact. In an increasingly digital world, there's something truly special about spaces that bring people together. Aquatix water parks do just that. They serve as vibrant community hubs, fostering a sense of belonging and shared experience. Imagine the laughter of children echoing through the air as they race down water slides. Picture families picnicking under the shade of a brightly colored awning, creating memories that will last a lifetime. These parks become more than just places to cool off on a hot day. They evolve into vibrant social ecosystems, strengthening community bonds and promoting a sense of well-being. The simple act of splashing in the water transcends age, language, and background, creating a shared language of joy and connection. Moreover, these parks provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. They offer a chance to unplug, unwind, and reconnect with loved ones. In a world often dominated by screens and digital distractions, these spaces provide a welcome return to the simple pleasures of outdoor play and face-to-face interaction. The beauty of a well-designed water park lies in its universal appeal. It's a place where everyone, regardless of age or ability, can come together and experience the pure joy of water play. For children, it's a wonderland of endless possibilities, a place where imagination runs wild and laughter knows no bounds. For parents and grandparents, it's an opportunity to relive their own childhood memories while creating new ones with their loved ones. And for communities, these parks represent a valuable investment in the well-being of their citizens. They provide a safe, engaging space for families to connect, offering a welcome respite from the stresses of modern life. In a world increasingly focused on virtual experiences, Aquatix reminds us of the simple, timeless pleasures of the physical world. So the next time you're seeking a break from the ordinary, consider taking the plunge into an Aquatix water park. Rediscover the magic of water play and create memories that will last a lifetime.